Welcome to Wonder of Learning channel. Today we'll be reading a story and learn about cleaning up the town. First, we will look at the vocabulary words that you will see in this week's reading story. Intelligent, having a great ability to reason and understand. Local, having to do with a particular place such as a neighborhood or town. Neighborhood, the part of a town or city in which one lives, the entire group of people who live in such an area. Routine, never-changing activity, often carried out without thought or interest. Volunteer, a person who offers to work or help without pay. Now let's read the story, Cleaning Up the Town, together. Get ready and read along with me. It was a bright morning in Niceville. 4 friends had a fun and big idea. We want to build a local park and baseball field, said Nolan. But first, we have to clean up the town, said Clara. Let's go see the farmer about his field, said Isaac. Mr. Carter was finishing his harvest. You may use the acre when I'm done, he said. The kids were happy and clapped with joy. Next, we go to town to ask for help from others. We see trash on the ground at the neighborhood bus stop. Let's clean this up first, said Naomi. I like to help our community, said Clara. Then we see Mr. Neal at the hardware store. Do you have supplies to help us, asked Isaac. Take what you need, kids, said Mr. Neal. Next, we stop to visit City Hall. We meet Councilwoman Maya Peters. We want to improve the land and make it fun, said Nolan. I love the idea, said Councilwoman Maya. She says we are very intelligent. Time to clean up the farmer's acres, said Naomi. We work together to pull weeds and pick up trash. Soon we have a routine worked out. Now let's paint the fence, said Isaac. Soon some neighbors come and volunteer to help us. But there was a small quarrel about what to use the park for. I'm confused, said Clara. What should we do? Let's vote and work together, said Nolan. Baseball wins the vote. Everyone smiles and goes back to work. We do better when we listen and work together, said Naomi. We plant trees and lay down benches. The baseball diamond starts to take shape. We paint a sign. Welcome to Community Park. I love our new baseball park, said Clara. We see all our hard work paid off, said Isaac. You do good when you care, said Nolan. The park was full of joy. The town was so proud. Community ballpark. The empty lot was just a space with weeds and bumps all over the place. But one day, all the neighbors came to start a brand new happy game. A grown-up man brought a big machine to make the ground all smooth and clean. He scraped and pushed and leveled it out while kids stood watching with a shout. The moms and dads dug side by side with shovels big and tools held wide. They marked the bases 1 and 2 and then a perfect home plate too. The older kids, so strong and tall, put up the backstop for the ball. They hammered, measured, and held it tight to make sure every piece was right. A little boy brought water to drink while a little girl helped stop to think. What color should the fence be painted? And giggles echoed, joy unfeinted. They rolled the sod a blanket green, the prettiest grass you've ever seen. Each person helped to make it great, from sunrise until it was getting late. And when the final job was done, they stood together in the sun. The field was perfect, smooth and fair, built with teamwork and with care. The first crack of the bat was heard, a joyful, happy, hopeful word. The ball flew high, a soaring flight, made possible by hands held tight. Thank you for learning with me today. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. We hope you'll join us again soon for another lesson on Wonder of Learning. Until then, bye-bye.